I've been grinding, running, never gonna stop. Climbing to the top, ain't no way I'm gonna drop. Late nights, early mornings, that's the way it goes. If you wanna chase a dream, gotta put in work, you know. Grind, don't stop, no time for the sleep. I'm hustling every day, cause the mountain's too steep. Made it through the struggle, now I'm chasing what's mine, I'm all in.
So, I have a small kitchen, so manage my space with me. So this is my dry fish, my uziza leaf. This is my uziza seeds. These are my proteins. I have some stockfish, and this is assorted, the meat part that is called assorted, so that's what I'll be using. Then this is my blended yam and pepper. It's already prepared, using some crayfish and some seasoning cubes. So I'm gonna be using the pot that I used to boil the fish because it makes more sense. It's actually a pressure pot, but I'm not gonna be covering it firmly. I'm just gonna leave it like that, so that I need that fat to dissolve so that I can bring the proteins out. So I don't want them to be overcooked. So guys, what I did was I had to remove the meat so that it doesn't overcook. Then I pieces the stockfish. Then I've also poured in the yam puree. Guys, I didn't even know that I turned off my camera. Like, this is so annoying. Like, what makes the video is basically filming all those process. Like, I'm so upset, but I decided I must share this video, whether they like it or not. Should I add water?
not gathering it. Because you don't used to cook it.
Guys, so this is the end of my video. I'll be sending this off to my friend, and I hope it is 10 over 10.